up like a normal newspaper. Just open it up. No, turn it around the other way. Say it's empty. Say it. Say it's empty. Say it's empty. Okay, there we go. All right. Close it back up, Dennis. Hand at the top. Turn it around. You're backwards already. This is embarrassing. All right. 2 shots of vodka. Hurry up, Dennis. Snap your fingers, Dennis. And we're just gonna lower the back end like we did before. Lower the back. Okay, open it up. Open it up. No, the other way, Dennis. The other way. This is brutal, Dennis. It's gone. It's gone. Where'd it go? Oh, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.